Wow, I love this too. So the next time you see a tapestry, go subscribe to Jynelle DIY. I gotta show my box. Yay, party time! Hey guys, it's Shamika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today is a very special video because I am doing a virtual collaboration with Jynelle DIY.
Hey guys, I'm Jynelle and I have a channel on YouTube and I'm so excited to collab with Shamika. I love her channel, her videos are so cool and I really hope she likes the stuff I got her, and she got me a lot of stuff as well which I unboxed on my channel, so you should check that out. And yeah, see you.
She's also an aspiring YouTuber like me. She's very talented, creative, and she loves doing DIYs, and we share a lot of common interests. So what exactly are we doing? What we've done is we've exchanged these boxes filled with goodies. If you want to check what I sent to her, go check her latest video out. And this is what she sent to me. It's a very nice blue colored cute box and I'm very excited to open it. I think we should get unboxing real quick. So this is a blue box. There's my address, so I can't show my box. So this is a nice note here. Hey Shamika, I had so much fun putting this gift box together. I really hope you like it. I love your confidence, your creativity and your content. I am really excited to collab with you, Jynelle. So sweet of you, Jynelle. I can see a lot of things here. First thing I can see are these brushes. This is so cute. The wrapping also, like the whole box is so DIY-ish and I feel so bad that I couldn't pack it in a nice way, you know. Okay. So, oh my god, it's so soft. I'm not like a makeup person, so I actually don't know what are these, but I'll surely try to use them as soon as possible. I was really excited about this one. I know this is a pouch for sure, okay? That's a Miniso pouch. Hey, that's cute! I kind of have the same one. No, I don't. Love it. I can finally store my makeup in here. Wow, I love this too. Actually, the second. Oh, so like I can put this inside this. And like she has packed everything in blue. I really like the color blue. Thank you, Jynelle. The next thing I see is this. These are some rings, I guess. Wow. Okay, there are two patches. Love this one. So these are some rings here, and these are two patches that she gave me. So this is patch number 1. It's like a peace sign, and this is like the other one. I actually love collecting this. If you have watched my latest video, you guys will know I love patches. I'm pretty sure this is a notepad or something. I love it. I love stuff like this. Like I have stalked her so much that she makes those journal things, and it's so cool. I like this. Oh my god, this is so nice, and it's in blue. I'm damn happy today. Like I've got like so many gifts after a very long time. You can also like start journalizing like Jynelle. Oh, this is a blue colored nail paint. That's so cute that she actually kept in mind the colors that I like. Don't tell me this is an eyeliner. This is an eyeliner. I'm so happy right now. Oh my god, needed a blue eyeliner. This is like the best one that you gave me. I'm gonna put it right now. No, only last one is remaining. Okay, so this is confetti that she put inside. I didn't even put that. This is a cloth kind of a thing. Okay, what is it? I can't guess it. Don't tell me. Then I gave her one. It's a tapestry. And it's in blue. Like I gave her a purple one, I guess. Oh my god, okay. We gave each other the same thing, but I think that is why we're like similar content creators. But it's gonna look great. So the next time you see a tapestry, go subscribe to Jynelle DIY. I'm gonna link her Instagram and her YouTube in the description below. Please go check that out. And let me tell you, Jynelle, you have amazing packing skills. Guys, go check my packing skills on her video. They suck. Thank you so much for watching. This is actually the making an outro of a video, so pat on the back for that. for all these beautiful goodies that I loved, and the packaging was so nicely done. Like, I feel so ashamed right now, but it's fine. You're a DIY queen and look at me. Anyway, guys, go check out Jynelle's channel. I don't know how many times I've given her a shout out right now. Like, I have said her username so many times, but it's just so nice that she actually decided to collaborate with me. We have to talk on video call about this, but love you. Thank you for 460. Yay, party time! Make it 500. What do we say? Shit. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell icon so that you'll be